Welcome to Real Talk for Men Relaxation. Take a deep breath and then exhale. This is your time now, a time to recharge, to listen, and to reconnect with yourself. You carry so much. You push, you endure, you perform, always moving forward, always holding the weight of your world. But now there's nothing to carry. There's nothing to push through. There is only this moment. Just your breath, just you. You are strong, and your strength deserves to be honored. Not just when you're fighting or building or leading, but in the moments of rest as well. Right now, your body is speaking to you. It has carried you through every challenge, every victory, every struggle. In this moment, take some time to listen to it. It's asking for your attention. So settle in and start to listen so you can heal and recharge and get back to it. Find a comfortable place if you haven't already. Breathe in deep. Feel your chest expand. Feel the air filling you with renewal. Exhale slow and steady, releasing tension, releasing the pressure that lingers in your muscles. Let it all go. Scan your body, starting from the top of your head. Notice where you're holding any tension, tightness, pain, irritation, anything that doesn't feel good. Notice it. Your forehead, your jaw. Let go of that tension in your jaw. Wiggle your jaw around a little bit and let it go. Your neck. Stretch a little bit gently as you're listening. See if there's any resistance. Let it soften. Let your shoulders drop. Release that weight they've been carrying. Let your arms grow heavy. Let your hands relax. There's nothing for you to hold in this moment. Feel your back unwind, your chest open, and your breath steady and full, peaceful. Your legs, your feet, every part of you sinking into comfort and ease. Your body is speaking, and now you can hear it. Tell your body, I'm listening to you. I hear you, and I want to know what you need. Please tell me what you need and how I can serve you. Your body has always been there for you, even when you pushed it past its limits. It has carried you through long days, battles both seen and unseen. It has stood strong when you needed it, even in exhaustion. Today, we're going to honor your body in return for everything it's done for you. Listen to the signals it's sending. Know that strength isn't about endurance. It's also about resting. When you need to recover, when you need to recharge, listening to your body's messages allows it to be at its most powerful when you need it. Right now, you are giving yourself the gift, exactly what you need. Replenishing, rebuilding, restoring. Let these words settle deep into your mind. These are true for you. Your strength is not just in your muscles, but in your awareness. If your muscles are sore, take care of them. Rest them, let them recover. Feed your body with healthy, whole food that nourishes you. You trust your body to tell you what it needs, and you listen. You don't delay the care of yourself. Rest is not weakness. It's the foundation of your power. You deserve time for yourself, to recover, to rest, to heal, and to do what you enjoy. You respect the balance between pushing forward and pulling back. That balance makes you incredibly powerful. Your energy is returning to you stronger, clearer, and more focused every time you take that time for yourself. Breathe all that in. Let that ground you in your strength, in your body, in yourself. Now imagine every inhale pulls in fresh energy, fresh power. Take that breath in with intensity. Feel the energy flood into your body when you breathe in. Each breath restores you, refuels you. When you exhale, you let go of what no longer serves you. Let it out. Release fatigue, tension, strain, frustration, anger, anything that no longer helps you. Exhale it. Let it out. Make sound if you need to, but get that out of your body. When you release that, your body will be lighter, stronger, and fully recharged. You deserve to feel good. When you rise from this moment, you'll feel clarity, energy, and renewed focus. Your body will move with purpose. Your mind will be sharp and steady. For now, stay here a little longer. Let yourself soak in the strength, receive, and let go of anything you don't need. You've done enough. You are enough. Breathe in and exhale and let go.